Welcome to the era of algorithmic healing. Welcome back to Zero Fat TV Think Different, the channel where we constantly challenge the status quo and explore the bleeding edge of human innovation. Today, we are diving into a breaking development that could literally redefine what it means to be sick and how we go about getting cured. The very first therapeutic drug designed entirely from scratch by artificial intelligence has just officially entered phase 3 clinical trials. This is not just a minor medical update, it is a seismic shift that signals the potential end of traditional medicine as we know it, the bottleneck of traditional medicine. To truly understand the magnitude of this breakthrough, we first have to look at the deeply flawed and incredibly slow system we have relied on for decades. Historically, discovering a new drug has been a grueling process of human trial and error that can take upwards of 10 years and cost billions of dollars. Scientists would spend countless hours testing thousands of chemical compounds in a physical lab, hoping to find just one that safely interacts with a disease. Because of this massive bottleneck, cures for rare diseases were often deemed too expensive or time-consuming to pursue, leaving millions of patients without hope. How artificial intelligence rewrote the rules. Artificial intelligence has completely shattered that timeline by replacing physical lab work with unimaginably fast digital simulations. Instead of mixing chemicals in a petri dish, advanced AI algorithms analyzed massive datasets of biological information to design the perfect molecular key for a specific autoimmune lock. The machine was able to hypothesize, test, and refine the drug's chemical structure in a matter of months rather than a decade. By doing the heavy lifting in the digital realm, AI has proven that it can outsmart and outpace human researchers in the quest for life-saving treatments. The Phase 3, Proving Ground. Reaching Phase 3 clinical trials is a monumental achievement because it means the drug is no longer just a digital concept or a small-scale experiment. It is currently being tested on thousands of real human patients to rigorously evaluate its safety, efficacy, and potential side effects before hitting the global market. If this AI-generated pill successfully passes this final hurdle, it will open the floodgates for a new era of hyper-personalized healthcare. We could soon see a world where custom treatments are generated on demand for individual patients, perfectly tailored to their unique genetic makeup. The ultimate think different dilemma. As we stand on the precipice of this medical revolution, we are forced to confront some deeply uncomfortable philosophical questions. Are we truly ready as a society to hand over the keys to our biology to a machine learning algorithm? While the prospect of eradicating incurable diseases is thrilling, it requires a massive leap of faith to ingest a chemical compound that no human mind could have independently conceived. We have to ask ourselves if the undeniable benefits of algorithmic healing outweigh the unsettling reality of removing human intuition from the art of medicine. To wrap things up, the advancement of the world's first AI-designed drug into Phase 3 clinical trials represents a historic turning point in human evolution. Artificial intelligence is actively dismantling the slow, expensive barriers of traditional pharmacology, promising a future where cures are engineered in months rather than decades. Now, I want to hear your thoughts in the comments. Would you trust your life to a pill invented entirely by a machine? Thank you for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe to Zero Fat TV Think Different so you never miss an update on the future of our world.
UE, thank you so much for watching. If you've got any questions, ideas, or something you want to see next, drop it in the comments below. I read them. I'm in there. Let's talk. And if you made it this far, you're a real one. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Peace.